Hey, Gracie. Gracie, what you doing? Hmm. You're exploring the yard. Once again. Hmm. And, the bird, is, here again. From, yesterday. I don't know why he's just, staring off in that direction. But, yeah. I think the bird is a problem because, I don't know. You guys can see, well, you can probably see a little bit. Oh! Okay. Um, yeah, that's a nice bird. It's got orange. It's got some red on its stomach, so I think that's a robin. Because I think robins do have that. So yeah. Hmm. I don't know why he decided to build a nest here. Hmm. So Gracie, enjoying the nice weather today? Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got a beautiful feeling. I don't know how the rest of the song goes. Hmm. Hmm. We got a lot of dandelions in the yard. I used to think those were like sunflowers when I was little. Those are actually dandelions. Uh-huh. Roses over there. I don't know what those purple flowers are over there. There's purple flowers right there. That's not a lilac, I'm pretty sure. The flip was that? You hear that, Grace? What do you think that noise was? Are you not gonna answer me? Just one chilling in the grass, huh? Which one do? He's hanging out right there. But yeah, I used to think those were dandelion. I used to think those were sunflowers, not dandelions. I guess they start off. I guess dandelions start off as that, and then they become the things that you can like. They become like the things that you can blow on, and stuff will come off. I don't know. You guys can look up what I mean. You guys can look up a dandelion and see what I mean. I guess. I don't know how they work. Those children are loud. Well, what can I say? I was loud when I was a kid. What was that? I heard something fly past my head. I don't see any wasps or anything. There's another robin over there. I have no idea what I have no idea what bug just flew my head past me. Flew past. I don't know what bug flew past me. Hope it wasn't a wasp. I flippin' hate wasps. They're like my second least favorite thing in the world. Spiders are my least favorite, basically. I flippin' hate spiders. One of my Discord friends has a really big fear of wasps and hornets. Bees aren't that bad, because, well, they're friendly, unless you mess with them. Wasps, on the other hand, they're flippin', they're mean. They don't care, they'll sting you, they'll sting you no matter what. Same with hornets. Gracie! Oh, he's taking a dump. Or she's peeing, whatever. Alright, now come in once you're done. Once you're ready to come inside. I guess she is ready to come in. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Let's go.